So we're back here in the Grex booth. Raymond's going to show us the differences in the nail guns from staple guns, rad guns, 23 gauge, the beer nails, staples, different things they have. So here's the Grex nail gun.
So this wall represents some of our most popular tools. Right here we've got our 18 gauge brad nailers. So we've got the industrial version, which we've been producing for over 30 years now. Tried and true. This is a more premium version of the 18 gauge brad nailer that's more tuned for more finished trim carpentry work. 15 gauge nailer, 16 gauge nailer. What we're best known for is our 23 gauge pin nailer. So you see these two in the middle here. This has been around for almost 20 years now. We actually just celebrated 20th anniversary last year. It goes up to 1 3/8 inch. Very popular tool for in the shop use. This 23 gauge pin nailer, the P650L, goes all the way up to 2 inch. So you have trim carpenters using that for installation work. The other popular tool we've got here that's growing in popularity, I should say, is a 21 gauge nailer. It's a good compromise between your 18 gauge and 23 gauge. So that one tool can kind of take the place of both of those tools. Makes it a lot more efficient and easier when you're going on a job site with that one tool instead of two tools. Down here, these three represent our cordless line. They run off our proprietary technology of using a propane fuel cartridge. We've got a 23 gauge version, 21 gauge, 18 gauge. They all use the same fuel cartridge.
What this is here?
Yep, this fuel cartridge. Each cartridge will give you about 1,300 shots.
And what do these cost?
About $25 to $30 for the fuel cartridge, pack of 4.
You're looking about $100 for a pack. And shoot, how many nails?
25 for the pack.
25 for the whole
pack. Yeah. So it's about 5,000 nails to drop for that $25.
You don't have to have an air compressor. It all works off this. Very cool. The cordless go anywhere nails.
Yeah, so the cool thing about the cordless is despite other brands out there having a battery powered tool, we opted for a propane system because our combustion engine allows the gun to be the lightest weight and most compact tool out there in regards to airless. Nothing else comes closer to being that like an air tool in terms of power, size, and weight performance.
Awesome. Thank you.